Hey there, sentence superheroes! Today, we're solving a mystery. It's called Fragments, the Case of the Missing Sentence. What is a fragment? A fragment is an incomplete sentence. It's missing a subject, a verb, or doesn't tell a complete idea. Have you ever read something and thought, huh? What? That doesn't sound finished. That, my friend, might be a fragment. Why is it a fragment? Clue number 1, missing subject or verb. Here's an example. Ran to the park. Who ran? It's missing a subject. So it's a fragment. We can fix it by adding, the dog ran to the park. Here's another example. The girl with her sparkly shoes. Well, what about it? This time it's missing a verb or the predicate part of the sentence. So it's a fragment. We can fix it by adding, the girl with the sparkly shoes danced in front of the audience. Now, let's go to clue number 2. Incomplete idea. Here's an example. Because it was raining. Sounds a bit unfinished, right? It feels like there should be something more. You might ask yourself, because it was raining? What? This is another fragment. Let's fix it with, because it was raining, we stayed inside. Or we can say, we stayed inside because it was raining. Now that's a complete sentence. Our last clue number 3. Test it out loud. If you are not sure, try saying your sentence out loud. If it sounds like a mystery with missing pieces, it might be a fragment. Let's just say, if it makes you feel a little confused or unsatisfied, there's a good chance it's a fragment. Think of ways to make that sentence better and more complete. For falling to the ground, we can add a subject and say, the leaves were falling to the ground. We can add a verb phrase too. The beautiful butterfly with colorful wings landed on my shoulder. Let's play a game. You guess? Complete sentence or fragment. Look at the sentence or phrase and tell whether it's a fragment or a complete sentence. Example number 1. Jumped over the fence. Is this a fragment or a complete sentence? This is a fragment. Who jumped over the fence? There's no subject. Example number 2. The cat slept all afternoon long. Is this a fragment or a complete sentence? This is a complete sentence. You have a subject and a verb. The idea is complete. Example number 3. After we ate lunch. Is this a fragment or a complete sentence? This is a fragment. You might ask, what did you do after lunch? This is an incomplete idea. And finally, our last example. Example number 4. The family went for a walk in the park. Is this a fragment or a complete sentence? Here's another complete sentence. You have a subject and a verb, and the idea is complete. Great job, everyone. See you in our next grammar video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.